Welcome. This is the Efficiency and Organization YouTube channel. And now I am going to share with you in this video how I do my evaluations as an administrator. And this is a system that I use for both my classified staff members as well as my certificated staff members. So I'm going to call this Evaluations 2023-2024, for example, right? So I just want to show you, this is on Google, basically here, it's a Google sheet. And so that's where I'm getting it from. It's right here. I'm just going to make it from scratch. I do have a product. This same thing that I'm showing you, you could get from efficiencyandorganization.com. I'll have the link in the description box, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you how you can make your own. This is so organized, so it's going to be awesome for you. Now, let's say you have 8 teachers to evaluate, right? So we're going to put teacher name here. And then we're going to say teacher A, teacher B, and of course you're going to write the names. I'm just writing this way. So then I'm going to say the next step is going to be conversation. Okay, so I'm going to say interview date. How about this? Yeah, let's put interview date, but I don't know if you know how to do this. If you click on B, if you right click, you can insert a column to the left. Before you even set the interview, you have to send an email to the teachers letting them know they're being evaluated, right? So notice of evaluation sent. That's what you want to do. And then say interview conducted. That's what we're going to do. Interview conducted. Observation date set. Next. Observation number 1. Next. Write up of observation number 1. Look how detailed it is. Next. Meeting to discuss observation number 1. Before that one, let's do this. So then I'm just going to open this up a little bit. If I come to like the right in between the columns, this thing opens up and then I can just drag it to open it where the whole thing fits. So then like it would be the next step and the next step, right? But I just want to show you how I develop this. So this here, I will center first of all. Then I will put this in here. And I like it to be a little bit bigger. So if I come here and then I click on the plus sign, I'll be able to expand to a little bit bigger font just for me, it's just easier to see if it's a bigger font. Okay, so the next thing, what I use this for is, let's say I already notified all the teachers. I just come and say yes, 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 yes. Interview conducted, I'm going to say yes, yes. This is just to show you, yes. So basically all I'm doing is tracking myself. This is why the tool is so important. I am tracking where I'm at. So let's say teacher A, I have let them know that they're going to be evaluated this year. I have already conducted the interview with them. I have already set the date when I'm going to go in. I'm going to say yes. Then observation, let's say I have done it, but guess what? After the observation, I'm now at a stage where I need to write it. So this is the one that I know I have to fill in. This and this do not have a yes, so I know I need to do these things. Okay, for teacher B, let's say I still have all this to do. For teacher C, I have all this to do. Every week I review my evaluations. I review this document, this tracker, so that way I know where I am at with each person. My only other suggestion for you is to put in a row. So I'm going to come to the number 2 here and I'm going to insert a row and I'm going to say due by, and I'm going to put a date. So let's say I'm supposed to let them know by September 1st of 2023 that their evaluation is due. Okay, great. I'm going to put that in there. Interview date doesn't really matter, but let's say I want to have it done for everybody by 9/10/23. I'm going to put that because then I can use my calendar and my planner to make sure I set the dates for everyone here. Then the last step would be if you want to like add some colors and stuff to make it like a little more like this column, or sorry, this row here, if you want it to stand out more. So you can like make it bold, you can add some color. The title of this, like if you want to insert a row, I just want to show you this. If you say here, evaluation tracker, that's a good title. And then what you can do is highlight all these here, like starting from A and then in my case ending at G, for example, and you can merge these. So if you go to format and then you say merge horizontally, look what it does. You can use this for your certificated stuff. So if you come to sheet and then you rename it, say certificated here. And then if you want, you can do the same thing for, you can add a sheet and this can be renamed to classified. What I would do if I were you is I would copy and paste. So copy, paste, and I know it's different for classified, but I don't want to start from scratch. So maybe what I would do is put the name. So I'm going to say name A, name B. And then what I will do is usually for classified, they get evaluated every year. I will probably leave the evaluation like email when I need to do that, the interview, and then the final write-up, I would say write-up. And then I will say not interviewed, but like reviewed and signed. That's what I'll do, reviewed and signed. Okay. So whatever, and then these two, I will just go ahead and delete. So whatever your processes are, this just helps you to stay on track of all of them. It's an organized system that you can use. Please be sure to subscribe to efficiencyandorganization.com for more helpful insights and information on all aspects of life to be more organized, more efficient. And I would also suggest you go on efficiencyandorganization.com. The link is in the description, as well as this product, what I'm showing you here. I have something that you can just click on and download for yourself, so that way you don't have to make it. It's a little bit different. So for example, on the one that I share, I have the product. Instead of saying yes, it says done, for example, but it's the same thing. Okay, I will catch you in the next video.